Hiya! So today's bag is this super cool Armani jeans beach bag. I'm calling it a beach bag, but it's a tote, so you could literally use it for whatever you wanted. I mean, it'd make an awesome shopping bag or whatever else you wanted to tote around with you. It's in this kind of like see-through, if I move it from side to side, you can perhaps see what I mean, sort of see-through plastic, which means you can just wash it and wipe it down, which lends itself very well to a beach bag or a shopping bag. Super cool. It has these amazing rope handles. I absolutely love this. How cool are they? And they're comfortable, you know, it's not like scratchy, uncomfortable rope. It's kind of smooth, it's soft, it feels nice to hold in your hand. I'm going to come back and put it on so you can see the size. The exact measurements are on the website. This is literally just to give you an idea. So I'm about 5'4", I'm a UK size 8'10". So you can kind of get an idea of the size. Again, because it's comfortable, it feels nice and comfortable on your shoulder. It does come with the Armani jeans dust bag. So let's show you the front. Okay, and then I'm going to show you inside. Inside is basically just one big cavernous space with a nice sturdy bottom. A nice sturdy base, perhaps that's a better use of word, a base, not the bottom. Okay, so that's that. I just really like it. I really love the rope handle with it. I think it really makes the bag just sing. I think it's fantastic. So, condition. We've said that the exterior is in good condition. It just has little bits of wear to the bottom corners, which I don't think will show up very well. So good condition to the exterior. The interior we've called good. Again, there is nothing for me to point out to you. It's in good condition. You can just tell that somebody has perhaps used it. The hardware we've called worn. It's actually in good condition, but there are just a few little marks and scratches on the hardware. So you can see there's like a little one there. There's one that goes across diagonally. See, they're not that bad, they're hard to make them show up. But we've called the hardware worn so that you know that what to expect. But look, it's so cool. I love it. Fantastic little bag. So, there is a link to this on our website. If you go to our comments and below this video, it will take you there. Whilst you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter because we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It's dead easy to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, you put your email address in, it drops a good one. If for any reason you don't get an immediate response from us, we should send you a discount code immediately. If you don't get it immediately, check the spam folder. Sometimes if your security is quite strong, you won't be able to break through it and hit your inbox, so we'll go to your spam. So check your spam and then add us to your address book. That is the best way to make sure any future discount codes we send you go to the right place. Also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you are interested in not just the Armcandy, but if you are interested in the behind the scenes of what goes on in Armcandy and what the team gets up to, that's your best place to come to. On our stories, we have a bit more of behind the scenes and what's going on. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, click the link in the comments below to Instagram, follow us on Insta. And of course, we have got lots more Armcandy coming in, so if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We've got so much more coming, well not every day stuff's coming, I've got a little pile there to get through. You don't want to miss them, there's some gorgeous stuff. And if you like bags and purses and wallets, then this is the channel you need to subscribe to. So subscribe now and set up your alerts.